Here are a few of the top things Team Ryan wants you to know when you're looking for an auto repair shop.
First and foremost, you want to know that they're going to stand behind their work. Did you know that most dealerships only offer a 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty on their repairs? Here at Team Ryan, we double that. We offer a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty on everything we do.
You also want to find a shop that's honest, a shop that you can depend on. And the way you do that, it may sound too simple, but follow your gut. You can tell when somebody listens to you and when you feel heard. Trust that.
You want to see what the shop looks like. Ask if you can poke your head out there, or ask if you can just have a tour of the shop. Most places should say yes. Is the shop clean? Is it organized? Is it well lit? Does it look professional? Do the technicians have uniforms on? There's a lot of facilities that will have the seat covers and the paper floor mats. We don't have those here because we don't need them. We have a clean shop, which means we have clean technicians, which means you're going to get a clean car back.
Does the shop keep you up to date with what's going on with your vehicle? You don't want to have to ask them if your car needs something. Safety concerns and scheduled maintenance should be something that your shop proactively informs you about so that you stay in touch with what's going on.
I'm not going to talk down to you, I'm going to talk with you. I'm not going to use a bunch of super technical lingo that's going to baffle you and leave you confused. I'm going to take technician speak and I'm going to translate that into plain English for you.
And you can find all of these traits here at Team Ryan Automotive.
Team Ryan Automotive, your experts in quality.